Are the classification of salts. Salts are classified first is on the basis of their formula. On the basis of their formula. First is normal salt. Salt which neither contain H plus nor contain OH negative are termed as normal salts. These salts are obtained by the complete neutralization reaction. Complete neutralization reaction. Example. An HCl react with NaOH. It gives NaCl plus H2O. Here is the neutralization reaction is complete and NaCl termed as normal salt. But H2SO4 may react with 1 mole of NaOH. In this reaction, the product is NaHSO4 plus H2O. Here is the neutralization reaction is not complete. That's why sodium hydrogen sulfate is not termed as a normal salt. For the complete neutralization of H2SO4, the required mole of NaOH is 2. Since H2SO4 gives 2 times of H plus, so for the complete neutralization reaction, the required OH negative is 2 OH minus, which will be obtained by the 2 mole of NaOH. And second types of salts is acidic salt. Salt which contain replaceable hydrogen atom or H plus are termed as acidic salt. These types of salts are obtained by the incomplete neutralization reaction. Incomplete neutralization reaction. For example, if carbonic acid H2SO3 react with sodium hydroxide NaOH, here is the NaOH is 1 mole, and after reaction the product will be formed sodium bicarbonate plus H2O. Here is the neutralization reaction is not complete and sodium bicarbonate are termed as acidic salt since it contains H plus. Now other example of acidic salt is NaHSO4 is obtained by the incomplete neutralization of H2SO4. Now third types of salt is basic salt. It contains OH negative ions. It is also obtained by the incomplete neutralization reaction. Incomplete neutralization reaction. For example, PbOHCl. Its name is basic lead chloride. It is a basic salt since it contains 1 OH negative. Similarly, other salt is basic lead nitrate PbOHNO3. It is again termed as basic salt. Now second types of classification of salts depend upon their pH values. Since pH always found in the solution, that's why this classification depend upon the solution state. Means on this classification, first salt dissolve in a particular solvent. On the basis of pH values, salts are of three types. First is neutral salt solution. If the salt solution has strong acid and strong base, then it is termed as neutral salt solution. The pH of this type of solution will be 7. For example, NaCl, when dissolved in H2O, it gives a strong acid HCl and a strong base sodium hydroxide. Therefore, resultant solution will be neutral and its pH 7. There is no effect of the litmus in the neutral solution. Other example of this category is NaNO3 and react with H2O or dissolve in H2O. It gives HNO3 plus NaOH. It is again termed as neutral salt solution. Second is acidic salt solution. Solution which contain strong acid and weak base are termed as acidic salt solution. pH of this type solution is always less than 7. For example, a well-known example salt, copper sulfate. In copper sulfate solid dissolve in H2O, it gives a copper hydroxide that is a weak base and a strong acid H2SO4. A well-known example copper sulfate. When copper sulfate dissolve in H2O, it gives copper hydroxide, it's a weak base, and H2SO4, it's a strong acid, that is overall solution is less than 7. And the other important example of this category is ferrous sulfate, that is FeSO4. When it is dissolved in water, it gives a weak base ferrous hydroxide and a strong acid H2SO4. So aqueous solution of copper sulfate and ferrous sulfate, both termed as acidic salt solution and its pH less than 7. Now third type solution is basic salt solution. When a salt solution contains strong base and weak acid, then it is termed as basic salt solution. Its pH is greater than 7. For example, sodium acetate CH3COONA and dissolve in water, it gives a weak acid, acetic acid, and a strong base sodium hydroxide. So aqueous solution of sodium acetate act as a basic salt solution its pH will be greater than 7. Next is potassium phosphate, that is K3PO4. When dissolved in water, it gives a strong base, potassium hydroxide, and weak acid, that is phosphoric acid, H3PO4. So overall solution will be basic and its pH will be greater than 7.